a dignified life. My government has recently enhanced the pension amount from rupees 2,750 to rupees 3,000 from 1st January 2024. With this enhancement, the monthly pension budget has risen to 1,961 crores, with the annual commitment nearly working out to rupees 23,476 crores. So far, an amount of rupees 86,692 crores have been disbursed to 66.3 lakh beneficiaries. Andhra Pradesh is one of its kind in the country, providing financial assistance of rupees 10,000 per year to each of the driver cum owners of auto, taxi and maxi cab and mobile dispensing units towards the needs of their vehicles. So far, my government has disbursed an amount of rupees 1,305 crores till date to 2,78,961 beneficiaries under YSR Vahanam Mitra scheme. To handhold and to make weavers' families owning a loom self-sustainable, my government is providing financial assistance of rupees 24,000 per year under the YSR Netana Nestam. So far, the state government has disbursed an amount of rupees 983 crores to 81,783 beneficiaries under this scheme. My government is providing a monthly stipend of rupees 30,000 for every 6 months for a period of 3 years to the junior advocates who started their career practice newly and who have not completed 30 years of age. During 2023, an amount of rupees 11.83 crore was distributed benefiting 2,564 eligible junior advocates under YSR Law Nestam. Under Jagananna Shedodu, our government is extending financial assistance of rupees 10,000 per annum to Rajakas, Nai Brahmins and tailors who own shops. So far, an amount of rupees 1,268 crores has been disbursed directly into the bank account of rupees 3.40 lakh beneficiaries. The state government has incurred an expenditure of rupees 521.73 crores for providing free power up to 200 units per month to 19.52 lakh SC, ST household during 2023-24. Under the scheme Jagananna Todu, interest-free loans up to rupees 10,000 are provided to petty traders, street vendors and the artisans engaged in traditional handicrafts. The interest on the loan will be reimbursed on a half-yearly basis to the beneficiaries. So far, loan amount of rupees 3,374 crores has been disbursed to 16.73 lakh beneficiaries and interest amount of rupees 88.33 crores reimbursed to 15.87 lakh beneficiaries who have repaid the loans on time. An amount of rupees 1,580 crores has been disbursed by our government under YSR Bima during last 56 months towards claims of natural deaths, accidental deaths and permanent disability. My government is providing financial assistance to the poor parents to perform their daughter's marriage in a dignified manner under YSR Kalyana Mastu for girls belonging to SC, ST, BC, minorities, disabled, construction worker families and through YSR Shadi Tofa for girls from Muslim communities. With the objective of encouraging children's education, preventing child marriages, increasing enrollment in schools and reducing the dropout rates, the state government is implementing the scheme with the condition that both the bride and the bridegroom must pass 10th class. Till date, an amount of rupees 350.89 crores has been disbursed to 46,329 beneficiaries under this program. All put together, my government has extended financial support to all the eligible persons irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, region, gender, and political affiliation on saturation basis in a time-bound, transparent, and corruption-free manner, and delivered various welfare benefits amount